So this class is body yoga poses which are going to benefit the face. So start off in a comfortable sitting position and breathe deeply in through the nose and out through the nose, feeling abdomen rise on the in-breath, fall on the out-breath. Then start to release the neck. You can bring the chin from side to side across the front of the chest. Just work to your own level with everything as you do this, particularly if you do have any neck issues. Keep going with that deep breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Then, if you feel ready, start to gently do full circles. If this feels too much for your neck, you can keep going with those half circles or just gently bring your ear from side to either side of the shoulders, making sure you go both ways with your circles. You should already feel less tension in the neck now, which is really going to help to indirectly lift the face, because less tension in the neck is less tension in the face. Now we're releasing our shoulders, so gently rolling back and round, using your breath still, in through the nose and out through the nose. You can roll forward as well. Hands onto your knees now, just push your chest out, then curve your body the other way, pushing the chest out, tilting the head back, inhaling, exhaling, curving the spine, pulling the tummy in. Come back to a neutral position now, and then you can repeat another time. Okay, so we're changing position now. You're going to gently come to a hands and knees position and just looking up, sticking the bottom into the air as you inhale. Exhale, curling the spine, pulling the tummy in. Inhale, look up, and exhale, look down. As you look up, it's helping to lift and tone the front of the neck and release tension from the face. And this exercise is really good also for releasing tension in the spine. Come up into a downward facing dog now. Walk through the legs, really releasing any tightness and tension in the hamstrings. You're allowing the fresh blood to come to the face, helping it to glow and look energized. Using your breath still. Moving yourself gently into an upward facing dog. Again, great for lifting the front of the neck and the face. Back into your downward dog. And then back in to your upward facing dog. Great for mind, body and face. If it feels too much for you, go back to your previous hands and knees cat-cow position. When you're ready, come down onto your knees, top of the head, onto the mat. Place the hands either side of the ears into your rabbit pose, bringing all the fresh blood, nutrients and oxygen to the skin, to the head, not only energizing the mind, but helping the skin to look really invigorated and rejuvenated too. Bring yourself gently down to a child's pose. Gently put pressure on that third eye point, stimulating that acupressure point between the eyebrows, and it helps to soften number 11 lines in this area as well. Allow yourself to relax here. Gently coming up, release the shoulders, bring the arms back behind you like big wings, and just bring the head from side to side, opening out the chest. It helps to correct that forward posture that we often have from overuse of phones or computers, and then link the fingers together, pushing out the chest, tilting the head back a little bit, lifting through the lower face and the neck area, as well as releasing tension through your shoulders. Inhaling and exhaling. Release your arms gently down now. And then when you're ready, sit onto your bottom again, bring one leg over the other and gently go into a spinal twist. Really lengthen up through the top of the head, gently twisting from the center of the body. This helps to lift and firm the side of the neck and the side of the face, as well as help to rejuvenate the body, release tension in the back, and gives a gentle internal massage to the organs as well. Releasing and then coming to the other side, pulling up through the top of your head, shoulders relax. Make sure you relax all the tension that you may be holding through your body, but particularly your face as well. Then gently coming out of the pose, bring the soles of the feet together, lengthen the arms up above your head if this feels good for you. Focus on one point in front of you, looking up, and then to one side and to the other. You can even go all the way around as though you're looking at every number on a clock face. So from 12 to 1 to 2 and so on. And then you can do that the other way as well. It's a great way to combine your body yoga pose with some eye yoga. Relax your eyes and then just gently grab hold of the feet if you can do, looking forward, and then you may want to bring your head down towards your feet. Relax here, feel this gentle release through the body, and then gently come up, stretch the arms up, exhale them down. Crossing the legs now. Inhale, bring the hands up into prayer, exhale down through center. Inhale up, exhale down through the center, filling your body with energy now. Inhale, collect that energy. Exhale, feel the body full of energy. Bring your hands at heart center. Thank yourself for this amazing practice for your mind, body, soul, and face.